This one I got the most common passwords that people are using in 2020, and they shouldn't be using them. And I'm sure you can guess exactly what they are. There's a couple surprises, but I'm sure you can guess. Coming in at number 1, which went up 2 spots, 2.5 million users. It takes less than a second to crack. Here's the password. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming at you. Oh my God. Have you ever used that for anything? I don't think I've used that one.
No.
I think,
no, I haven't.
however, I think I have used number 4 for like a Wi-Fi router or something before, just password.
Yeah.
I think I've done that for a Wi-Fi router like way back in the day. The weird one is at number 3, Picture One.
Yeah.
And that thing
strange.
came up a number of spots. It's new on the list. It was not in the top 10 last time around. So I'm not sure why people started using that. And then there's another funky one as well, which is the word Senha, which is Portuguese for password.
Oh.
That one's also making its way up the ranks. This is part of a list that was published by NordPass, the password management software. The top 200 most common passwords of the year. And this, of course, is to promote their service, which is to showcase how dumb people's passwords are. And therefore, rather than you just get a password manager and just forget about it because you're like,
Yeah.
you realize how dumb your password is.
Well, it's also funny because if you're beside someone and then their password is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, you can actually see the movement of their hand.
Oh, yeah, I could just watch it from here and know exactly what it is.
So, yeah, it's
You're not
strange.
happy. Yeah, you're not happy about it. But anyway, people still use it. Of course, there are many nice password manager applications out there that you can use in order to avoid this, or you can come up with something better. It's completely up to you. But chances are most of you have used one of these dumb passwords at one point in time.